Hi, my name's Alex Matkovich. It's my wife Barbara. We've been married for 53 years. I've owned the car for 55 years. I'm 78 years old. I restored the car all myself but the paint.
It took you three and a half
years to restore it. It's a body-off restoration. We're very proud of it. My wife got her engagement ring in the passenger seat many, many years ago. What else?
How's the car to drive?
Car drives very well. It has a Jim Meyer front end on it. We have the disc brakes on the front. If you notice, the body is all original. I did what I call a resto mod, but not really a resto mod. It's an original fuel injection car. They made 419 of this blue color, which is called Jewel Blue.
And they only had
40 fuel injection cars made. This was an original fuel injection car, and they only made it for 1 year, 1961.
And then why don't we talk about the interior?
Interior was purchased all in 1981. It was all put in storage because the car sat around. I was playing golf and boating in California. And my wife said, I think you should start putting the car back together, which I started when I was 74 years old. I finished the car last June, and then we left for California, and we've been shown that I was a drag racer for 40 years. This is original color of the car.
Okay, very nice. Very nice. And what about the car show awards? Have you won?
We won 14 shows. We won 14 awards. So we're pretty happy with the car. The awards are all in the trunk. I had to put them down to put the trunk. I got large trophies.
And then do you let your better half drive?
My wife drove this car a lot. She was a hairdresser back in Cicero. I'm from Lyons originally. We left this area in 1979 for California.
I drove it for 14 years, going to work back and forth.
And she raced everybody on the street, and she never got beat.
Wow, that's why the tickets are sticking out of the trunk. That is so neat. That is so neat. Do you have any future, you said you're not from Illinois, are you?
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Future plans to go to shows across the country?
Well, we're going to keep showing it in California, Arizona. We live in a motorhome. We pulled it in an enclosed trailer and take it out for the shows. It has both tops of the car. Both tops. I paid $2,800 for the car.
Will you take me with?
Everybody wants to become my son or my daughter, and I'm sorry.
What about a dog?
No, we did Doberman Pinschers for the last 50 years. We rescue dogs, and it's been a lot of fun. We meet a lot of nice people. Like we have 3 nice people here to talk to. Young man, hoping he's going to be a gearhead one day.
The front grill.
The grill. I put a 60. I wanted more chrome, so I put the 60 grill instead of the 61. The Corvette across the front and the emblem have never been those. Original 1961. Original frame on the car. I rebuilt the motor, transmission, and rear end all myself. It has a 456 Posit traction rear end that I raced this car at Oswego Dragway, US 30 and Union Grove. We never lost a race at Oswego, ever. We had boxes and boxes of trophies, of course.
We raced in the iSports category.
iSports category, which they don't have anymore.
Yeah, but that was a long time ago.
Again, that's a long time ago.
Can we see the engine?
Sure.
Sure. Look at that. Barbara, you want to hold this? Because I got to open it from the other side.
Where's the pin? Al. Pin?
Will it do 160?
Yes.
A little bit lower.
No.
A little bit lower. There you go.
It's a 280. It's a 283. Punch his board. We call it punch, but his board 60,000. So it's a 292 cubic inch. It has electronic fuel injection. upgraded. It's an 8 stack, so each one of those you see that goes into the cylinder. When it fires, it pours gas in there. Put an alternator on it. My wife wanted a heater, so I had to put the heater back in it. That cost me about 3 weeks of work.
Well, he has the top down all the time, so we need
Sure.
the heater. Yeah.
That looks like a big popcorn maker in there.
Yeah, everybody thinks, but it's quite the. You see all 8 barrels open at one time.
Right. Do that one more time. There you go. Look at that. And then the what is the horsepower?
We're guessing probably around 400 because it was 315 from the factory. It's got the original heads. They're double hump heads, but they're not the big 202s that came out in '64.
Sure.
So these are the 196 valves in this one here. It's got the original 4-speed in it with a 220 first gear and a 4.56 rear end. So this thing down the highway at, well, we used to run, what, 55 miles an hour. You're doing about 3,000 RPM. So she's really whining. But I don't care. I'm old, and a lot of young people say, where's the air cleaners? I said, you think I'm going to wear it out before I die? I don't think so. So we'll see. We don't have any children, so my wife, we don't know where the car's going.
Give me your card.
I know, everybody again, we have a lot of sons and daughters around the country.
I'm going to be the third member of this car club that is right there. Cool.
Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.
Thank you.
We'd like to show your car next, so please leave us a comment, subscribe, and like us.